Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here, and it's day 13 of the 30 Days of Sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life. And this is our sketch today from Lisa Marie Carlson, and it's a really cool sketch. It is so versatile. You can do lots and lots with this. So what am I using? Well, I'm actually using this in conjunction with Mixed Media Mayhem, and the criteria for Mixed Media Mayhem this week is splatters, 3 or more pattern papers, and metallic media. So my metallic media is going to be gold Nuvo drops, and this is my title. Check this out. This is just a piece of chipboard, and I don't know, I'll get it close, hopefully you can see that. I have gone over the top of it with the Nuvo gold drops, and it's come out really cool. I don't know why I've never thought to do that before, but it looks like a metallic heading. Well, no, I don't know what I'm trying to say, but anyway, I don't know if it's completely dry yet, so I am going to stick this aside until the very end, and then hopefully it'll be dry enough to put on the page. So my 3 pattern papers, I have this one here. This was a sheet that I've cut for embellishments, and that's the title on the sheet. I'm putting that down the side. And then I have, so that's the same as that. So, I'm not going to cheat and go, well, that's my 3rd, because that's the same as that one. But my photos, I've backed on a striped, Christmas striped paper as well. So that's my 3 pattern papers, sorry. I've already done my metallic media, and then I just got to do splatters. So hopefully my splatters don't end up everywhere this time around. We'll see how we go. Right, so this paper was a scrap in my scrap bin, and this red cardstock, I have backed this, which will be the triangle, was also a scrap. As you can see, it already had 2 circles cut out of it. And it wasn't quite big enough for this sheet of paper that's going to sit as the diamond, but it didn't matter because this corner is not covered in the red. It's not backed in the red, sorry. But that's going to tuck under this strip, so it really didn't matter. So that's another use of a scrap, which is fantastic. I love using my scraps. And then my embellishments are really quite simple. I have just some of that pattern paper that I've cut out, the postage stamps, and then I've got 2 red strips to put behind this, and I don't need to do the whole 12 inches because it's going to be covered, some of it, so by a photo. So I didn't want to get out a whole new a whole new sheet of this red cardstock when I had some scrap left from that diamond that I backed. So I thought, okay, I'm going to cut strips out of this and then put it underneath, and that will work. Alright, so that's what I'm doing. I'm now going to attempt to do my splatters. So I'm going to speed you up, and I'll come back at the end. Okay, there is my completed layout for day 13 of 30 days of sketches. I've pretty much, words are hard, pretty much followed the sketch. Okay, so my gold splatters didn't show because it's a very dark and heavily patterned paper, the background paper I chose. So I then used the fan brush to like dab some gold on because the splatters just didn't show. And then I used white acrylic paint with a bit of water mixed in to add some white splatters, so I still have splatters on there. And I don't know how much of that I'm going to leave in the video because it took a long time to get it right. So if you only see a little bit of it, then that's good. I don't know if I'm going to cut it all out. Who knows what I've done in the editing process. But I love the Nuvo drops on the Ho Ho Ho. I think that is really cool. I just added a few clusters of the Nuvo drops around. And that's pretty simple. Down here, there was a Santa, but he was going sideways. I just didn't like him sideways. So I've covered him up, and that is where I'm going to be writing my journaling. So it's not going to look out of place once the journaling is on it. But I just didn't like him sideways. It just looked odd. So anyway, that is my page. Please make sure you check out the playlist below for everyone else who's playing along with the 30 days of sketches. If you have any comments or questions, please pop them below. If you've liked this page, give me the thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching, and until the next time, have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.